Hello everyone. For tonight's dinner, I'm gonna cook garlic chicken with mushroom gravy and mashed potatoes. So let's see what all I have. I have chicken, mushroom, potatoes, onion and garlic. Let's get on to it. Now we have this chicken. This is a leg piece of the chicken without bone, but it has a single bone here. It has a single bone, but with skin, and this is what we're going to use. 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's going to be dinner for 5, including you. We add some salt. We add salt and pepper and oil. So I'm going to use my hand. My hands are very clean, don't worry. Now we're going to cook this in the oven for at least 40 minutes. Now let's start with our mashed potatoes preparation. So you always wondered why this peeler is like this here. That one is to remove these kind of... So now you have a clean one. So, you learned something?
Yeah.
Yes. With this potatoes, let's see how it comes. Okay, let's get rid of this water and take a fresh water for boiling. Start with the butter. So now let me go get the chicken from the oven. The chicken is almost done. Now I want to remove the chicken and add some extra flavor. I have the garlic mayonnaise here. So I'm going to glaze it on top and cook for another 20 minutes to get that good color and flavor getting inside the skin. Let's take it to the oven again. Come. Let's add the mushrooms. This is the juice from the chicken with full of garlic flavor. So, alright, we have our potato almost ready. So now at this point here, I remove a little bit. I'm going to use some milk. So a little bit milk and some butter. Use more butter. So you need some salt. Some pepper, garlic powder. Let's mash it. So our amazing mashed potato ready. Okay, I have some dill. And our mashed potato is ready. So let's see what's happening with the mushroom and finish the chicken gravy. Okay, I'm gonna separate the mushrooms. Let's start making a bechamel sauce and converting it into a mushroom sauce for the chicken. So we get a good amount of sauce for the chicken. Some oregano, some pepper, and some salt. So a little bit of stock. Very good. Now we add the mushrooms. Alright, our chicken is ready and it looks gorgeous. So let's add it to the gravy and cook for another 5 or 10 minutes. And the yummy garlic chicken with mushroom gravy is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like to watch more of this kind of videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. See you in my next video.